Hello, this is Stacey Roshan, and in this video, we're going to talk about pre-class private check-ins using Flipgrid. I love setting up a Flipgrid private communication channel where I have students post to the Flipgrid prior to any assessment. So we do this very regularly before any quiz or test. A student goes to their private Flipgrid check-in and they talk to me about how they're doing, how they're feeling going into the assessment. This is something that I require at the beginning of the year. I find making it mandatory at the beginning requires them to try and see if they like it. And then as the year progresses, they have the opportunity to choose if this works well for them or if they would rather communicate with me in another way. I always give some specific prompts to help students get started. From there, they can continue to chat out what's on their mind. So let me go ahead and show you how to actually set up these private conversations. And this is all about using video moderation in Flipgrid. If I am in my Flipgrid here and I go into my class, you will see that I have a private check-in and this little hand icon means that it is being moderated. So that's how I keep things private. Let me just edit so that you can see my setup. So in the prompt, I tell students this video will remain private between you and me. Sometimes I'll leave some specific talking points right in here, and I can just leave a bulleted list of whatever I want them to be talking out, and I can change that, update the topic at any time. Then you can add any media. Maybe you want to start with the video of your own, or you just want to add an image. You can do that. And then here's the most important part, is that you toggle topic moderation on. And if you enable that, when students reply, it will remain hidden until you activate it. And the strategy here is that you just keep them hidden all the time. You can still reply back to students individually using the feedback tab, and I'll choose a recording time for this one. I gave 5 minutes, which is probably too long. If you were doing a whole class, maybe you want to limit it to 1:30 or 2 minutes, keeping in mind that you need to get through everybody's Flipgrid, and then you can update the topic. Now, when responses come in, they will all automatically be hidden because you have set up the video moderation. I keep it hidden. And then when I watch the student's video, how I can respond back to them instead of responding publicly, you can use the feedback tab. And here is where you can record video feedback, or you can just type any feedback to the student so that you're able to keep this communication going. And I think that's a really important piece of the puzzle, is to leave feedback. You email it to students and that's all you need to do. So that's my process for setting up pre-class private video check-ins using Flipgrid. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.